Hello and welcome to How to Draw Stuff. Today we show you how to draw the Iron Maiden logo. We show you the step-by-step method to make it look the same as the official logo by providing the correct measurements to be exact. The word Maiden is on the line below Iron. To start, we draw a 4 cm vertical line at the left-hand side of the page. We draw a perpendicular line straight across the page. Draw another 4 cm line and connect at the top. This gives us more space than we need. We extend the first line we drew by a ½ centimeter and then draw another 4 centimeters down. The eye of iron is 1 centimeter thick. Draw two 1 centimeter lines at the top and bottom, then connect them. Mark another ½ centimeter space, then another 1 centimeter mark, the same as the eye. Measure 2 centimeters down so we can draw a horizontal line across the letters. For the R, measure a 1 centimeter triangle, then draw a larger triangle 1 centimeter thick around it. The bottom of the R slopes down in 1 centimeter thick lines like this. As you will see, the very bottom of the R is longer than the grade we have drawn. Mark ½ centimeter from the points of the R. The O is not round like most O's, but is a sort of squashed diamond shape. Mark 4 centimeters from the base of the O. For the middle of the O, we need to mark it at the same height as the bend in the R, which in our case is about 8 millimeters from the bottom. Join the top of these lines to create a triangular shape. We will mark the inside of the O by measuring 1 centimeter thickness of the letter. For the N, we mark another ½ centimeter space. The main shape of the N is 3 lines 1 centimeter apart, so we mark them along the top and bottom. Join the lines together.
You're my sunshine, you're my best times, you're my anomaly. And I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes.
The top left and bottom right of the N have additional right angled triangles which have 1 centimeter long sides.
And I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will when the sky is falling. I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, every breath you take.
So we can start the second word, mark a ½ centimeter space. Then we mark another 4 centimeters and draw our top and bottom guidelines. For the M, we need to mark 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, and another 1 centimeter.
Wedding, this is etched into eternity.
Do the same at the top and connect the lines.
Union, we will move mountains, we will live on our knees. 'Cause he'd choose us.
Mark a point at the 2 centimeter halfway point and draw a center line across.
Choose us. In 100 worlds he'd find us. And we'd say we do.
Put a point in the middle of the 2 centimeter space at the bottom of the M and mark it on the center line as well.
All that we have, we do. And
to create the M, we essentially connect our points, which will give us 1 centimeter spaced lines. The top left of the letter has an extra triangle sticking out, as does the lower right part. The top right has a triangle removed.
And every moment, every breath we take, we choose you. Look into my eyes, dear.
For the A, mark 4 centimeters top and bottom and connect the lines. Mark 1 centimeter and draw another vertical line.
Yes, this is where it starts. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life.
From this point at the bottom of the M, draw a diagonal line. Mark a 1 centimeter gap and draw the lines like this.
And I'll say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will when this
Here we mark a ½ centimeter space, 1 centimeter space, and another ½ centimeter, and join the vertical lines for the I. For D, we create the 1x4 eye shape, then we mark a centimetre thick line at the bottom. From this point to here, we mark the diagonal, which we will also make a centimetre of thickness. The bottom right corner of the D has a shape cut out. For the E, we mark another ½ centimetre distance. Then we mark 1 centimetre and then 2 centimetres. There's a diagonal line at the bottom left cut out. Here we're going to mark the 3 horizontal lines of the E. They are just under 1 centimetre thick each, so we can see a gap between them. We mark the ½ centimetre gap and then create the end just as we did before. We start inking the outline with a fine black pen. To finish, we can colour the letters in either black or red, although you could use another colour if you wish. Here is our finished Iron Maiden logo. If you want to see any more logos or related designs for your favourite bands, let us know about them in the comments. Like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more to come, and we'll see you next time.